Hi guys, it's your girl Dede from D&D Mall. So in the chair today we have Dee. She is getting her hair done. Basically today what we are doing, we are putting a hair mask in her hair. It helps with strengthening your hair, moisturizing, and giving it growth. Right now I'm parting her hair and I'm just layering everything, all the products in her hair. So we're just gonna wait. We're waiting, we're waiting. And by the way, with these products, you cannot put any heat, air dry, blow dry, any heat water, or it will cook the egg. And we do not want to be picking egg out of your hair all day. Well, guys, right here I'm just showing y'all a review on how the hair looks after I got done putting all the products in her hair. It's very curly, as you can see. It's very moisturized. It's very soft. Right here, guys, I'm telling you that you have to wait 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Leave the products in for 20 minutes. All right. See you guys later. Okay, guys, right here I'm just showing you how the product looked in her hair and a view of me combing through it, showing you how her curls are so defined and how it stretches and how it's strengthening and how the moisture is in her hair. And the stretching of the hair, how you comb through it. Gang, 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 gang. Well, you guys, right now you have to, after 20 minutes, you guys, you have to wash out the product. Please, as I say again, please do not put any heat or hot water in your hair, or you will have cooked egg in your hair. And we don't want to waste any time trying to get that out, do we? No, we don't. Because we ain't got time for that. We ain't got time for that. Trying to tell you, Keisha. All right, D&D mob, we out. Gang, gang, gang. Peace and lovings.